Hi everyone, it's Murasingh here, and I have a small message for all of you. As a YouTuber, as a blogger, as a part of the social media, I feel like I should do this video because now it's a high time. We need to take serious this virus. It's called a coronavirus. As all we know, what is the condition, what is the situation right now. We should stay at home. We need to stay at home no matter what, cause ang belay no kiriwoy tonggu belay no tense tabuk omomang bokrogo kai tongka tabuk phano nugo ang agor tolawo masamusu borok masamusu to hinjagya gobang mano guriwoy tonggu theatero thangu pho momo chalayo pho shopping mall thangui shopping khai layo pho. So this is not good, guys. Please take it seriously. Ta chong di that Tripura to phai miya bahai ke phai nai kuno somay se ongya ko. Don't think like that. Anytime, anywhere, in any person ongoi no mano. And no YouTuber table nukhna tamo bahai ke ungnai bahai ke kaisa borok ni basago lai thangmani sinia phanong thunta borok no haibano nungbo bai lai thangjang dikhe haibano nung still boni basago tongkhe nungman nai no. So please guys, it's high time na shidi chong shidi and nogo tongpai di government bohai hinoi no shahorka that we need to stay at home. If needed, please wash your hand 10 times. Please wash your face, wash your legs. So in every second, every minute, wash your hand properly with the soap. So please take care, be caution, and kaham getong di. So asyuk no, kulum ka.